Hello, everyone. Today we are going to explore Auditoria AP Accruals that helps accounting teams accelerate month end close. Using data from a system of record like your ERP, the Auditoria SmartBots will automatically send reach out emails for estimates to vendors and internal stakeholders where an accrual may be required. Here, we see a dashboard that tracks these reach out emails and notes which vendors have responded and which have not. Down below, we see details for the accruals, including the source evidence of the accrual, whether it is from an email extraction, a manual input, or a formula like straight line over the full period of the purchase order. On the Accrual Groups tab, I can assign vendors to the accrual groups and then assign owners who can review, approve, and generate the accruals for each group in the system of record. The SmartBots use formulas or the responses received to create draft journal entries that we can review before writing them to the system of record. Here, we can drill down into the accrual group for professional services to see the draft journal entry containing all of the information associated with the accrual, including record data, vendor summary, journal lines, and purchase order data. For journals where the vendor has responded to provide an estimate, I can see the full email thread inside of Auditoria. In the thread, I can see the original email sent automatically by the SmartBots containing the purchase orders where accruals may be needed. I can also see the vendor's reply with the estimates, and I see where the SmartBots sent a receipt acknowledgement email afterward. The estimates from the vendor have automatically been written into the draft journal entry. Here, we can see that the three values, written in different ways, have been included in the journal lines. I can also review another journal entry that will use calculation formulas instead of a vendor estimate. On this journal entry, I can see that the SmartBots have automatically calculated accrual values based on formulas like straight line over the full period of the purchase order, weighted average invoice, and straight line over the remaining period of the purchase order. Back on the journal entries page, I can select a journal entry and write it to the ERP by clicking the Write to System of Record button. Upon writing back, the journal entry moves from the Active Data tab to the Written to System of Record tab. This provides a historical view of all journal entries that have been written previously. I can also generate an audit report for this journal entry or multiple journal entries that contain all of the associated backup related to the accruals. The SmartBots organize all of this information for me so that I no longer need to manually track it. Our team can provide audit access as well to Auditoria to allow auditors to review the data directly. Using Auditoria AP accruals allows accounting teams to expedite their monthly close by automatically emailing vendors and internal stakeholders for estimates for accruals, tracking replies, and using these replies or formulas to generate journal entries in the system of record, compiling the backup data in audit reports that can be generated on demand.